Hello students, this is Shubhrata Ghosh. In my last video, I have taught how to construct the price relative index by simple average method. But now I will be showing you how to construct the price relative index by weighted average method. And the formula is this: summation Pn by P0 into 100, that is price relative, into weight, whole divided by summation W. Here W represents the weight, and this Pn is the price of the current year, P0 is the price of the base year, and W is the weight. Okay, now we will see how this price relative index is measured by weighted average method or weighted AM method. For that, we will take a help of one example. Suppose this is our problem. There are 4 commodities, and this is the base price and the current price of these 4 commodities, and their weight is also given: 10, 14, 12 and 15. Now we have to construct the index number by weighted average of price relative index. For that, we have to make a table which will be helpful to construct the index number by that particular method. This column represents the P0, this column represents Pn, and this column represents weight. Already I have made this table to save your time and to save your mobile data. Now what I will do, now I will put the value which is required to fill the table. Here W is blank. What is W here? 10, 14, 12, 15. Which is 10, 14, 12 and 15. Okay. Now sum of weight is what? 10 plus 14 plus 12 plus 15. If we add up all this, we will get, it is 51. Okay. Now what is the demand of the formula? Demand of the formula is Pn by P0 into 100. This is price relative. Okay. This price relative is here, is indicated by I. Pn by P0 into 100. Okay. And we have got this value by doing Pn by this 42 by 35 into 100. In this way we have got these 4 price relatives. Now demand of the formula is Pn by P0 into 100 into W. It means we have to multiply this 120 by 10, this into 14, this into 12, this into 15. Okay. Now if we multiply this, what we will get? Now If you multiply this, you will get, now put all this value in the calculator. Now this is what, 120 into 10, it is 120 into 10 is 1200. Now 14 into this. Now put this value in the calculator. The result is 1633.38. Now 12 into 95. This result would be 1140. That is, it is point is there. This is, I will put 0.00 here. 0.00. Now 15 into 112.15. Now now multiply this by the calculator, and the result will be 1682.25. Okay. Now you add up all this value, sum of this value. If we add up, you will get 5 then 6 then 5.663 5655.63. Okay. 5655.63. Now we have got the value of summation IW and summation W, and we will put this value in the formula. And the formula was this: weighted average of price relative index summation Pn by B0 into W by Pn by B0 into 100 into W by summation W. What is the result of Pn P0 into W? 5655.63. Five, 6, 5.63. And summation W. What is the summation W? Summation W was 51. Was 51. Now put this two value in the calculator. If you put this value in the calculator, what you will get? Now put this in the calculator, you will get 110.89. This is our result. In this way, we can calculate the price relative index by weighted average or weighted arithmetic mean method. This is the result, and this was our final table where there are four goods or commodity: is base price, current price, this is the weight, and this is the price relatives. Price relatives is obtained by dividing the Pn by P0 into 100. These are the 4 price relatives, and this I represents the price relative, and I have multiplied this 120 by 10. I have got this, and in this way we have got all these 4 value, and sum of the result is this 5655.63. Okay, and the result is this. And it was the problem. Hope you understood the class. Thank you for watching the video.